Welcome back to American Dream Mansions, the channel where we explore some of the most unique, beautiful, and dream-worthy homes from around the world. Today, I'm taking you inside a stunning, modern luxury home designed with a soft gulabi pink exterior theme, elegant interiors, and a full list of premium features that make it truly one of a kind. From the drone shot to the pool, from the living room to the gym, we're covering every space. So sit tight and get ready for a complete tour. We start with a drone day view of the entire property. You can instantly see how the pink exterior color gives the house a warm, aesthetic, and very eye-catching look. The landscaping is clean and modern, the driveway is wide, and the overall shape of the house is built to show symmetry and style. The drone circles around the property, giving you a clear idea of how spacious the surroundings are. As we move closer, we reach the main entrance. A solid modern door, tall glass sidelights, and a polished pathway lead directly to the entry. The moment you step in, you feel how the interior design connects perfectly with the exterior theme: soft colors, clean lines, and lots of natural light. On the right side of the hallway, we enter the living room. This space is designed for comfort, yet it still feels luxurious. The pink accent lights highlight the walls softly, and the large sofa sits perfectly in the middle of the room. There's a large window that makes the room bright during the day and gives the area a fresh, open feel. The decor is minimal but stylish, creating the right balance between elegance and warmth. Next, we step into the kitchen, which is one of the highlights of the home. The marble island sits at the center, surrounded by premium cabinets and high-end appliances. Soft pink accent lighting under the counters adds a modern touch. This kitchen is designed not only for cooking but for hosting and enjoying time with family. It's spacious enough to handle gatherings while still feeling clean and organized. Connected directly to the kitchen is the dining area. There's a large glass-top dining table with stylish chairs, and a modern chandelier hanging right above it. The pink interior tones continue here, giving the whole space a warm and welcoming vibe. Imagine enjoying breakfast here with sunlight pouring in. It's the kind of dining space that makes every meal feel special. Moving toward the side of the house, we enter the garage. It's big, clean, and built with premium flooring. The soft reflection of the home's pink exterior makes the garage feel like part of the main design instead of a separate space. Let's go upstairs to explore the bedrooms. The first bedroom features a king-size bed with a pink and white theme, large soft curtains, and warm lighting. Each bedroom has been designed for comfort and privacy, with enough space for study tables, wardrobes, and personal decor. The natural light in these rooms makes them feel open and refreshing. Next, we check out the bathrooms. The marble tiles, golden fittings, and clean layout create a premium hotel-style look. Pink accents add a modern twist, keeping the design consistent throughout the home. Each bathroom includes a glass shower enclosure and high-quality fixtures. Now let's move into the home gym. This room is bright and modern, equipped with mirrors, fitness machines, and soft pink LED lighting that gives the area a cool, energetic feel. It's perfect for everyday workouts without leaving the comfort of home. Outside in the garden, there's a swing area with pink cushions, greenery all around, and warm sunlight. It's the ultimate relaxation corner, perfect for reading, thinking, or enjoying the evening breeze. Next is the swimming pool. The water is crystal clear, and the reflections of the pink exterior make the pool area look luxurious and cinematic. There are comfortable seats around the poolside, making it ideal for family time or hosting friends. Before we finish, let's visit the TV lounge. It has a large screen, soft LED lighting, cozy seating, and stylish wall decor. This room is perfect for movie nights, gaming, or relaxing after a long day. And that concludes our full tour of this beautiful gulabi luxury home. Every corner is thoughtfully designed, every room feels warm and inviting, and the overall vibe of the house reflects modern elegance. If you enjoyed this tour, make sure to subscribe to American Dream Mansions for more stunning home showcases. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode.